The thermal mixer's display. All thermal mixers have the same intuitive display. After securing the bowl, let's see how it works. To set blade speed, press the blade icon. Plus icon to increase, minus icon to decrease. Long press plus icon to increase faster. Long press minus icon to decrease faster. Press start when ready. Push pulse to enable pulse. Pulse will insert intermittent pauses during workflow. Push pulse again to disable. Press stop to exit. While the machine is working, it is possible to activate turbo speed from speed 6 to 10. Hold press turbo. And release the button at will. To set working time, press the time icon, plus icon to increase, minus icon to decrease. Long press, plus icon to increase faster. Long press, minus icon to decrease faster. To set temperature, press the temperature icon, plus icon to increase, minus icon to decrease. Long press plus icon to increase faster. Also, up to 190 degrees Celsius or 374 degrees Fahrenheit, except for Easy, Breeze, Master Breeze, Combi's cold side. Set turbo temperature. Turbo temperature can be activated before or after pressing start. Press turbo. Turbo temperature is not available on Breeze, Combi's cold side, Master Breeze. To disable turbo temperature, press again. Turbo. To enable wait temperature, long press temperature icon. Set the desired temperature to reach, plus icon to increase, minus icon to decrease. Set the desired time to maintain the temperature once reached. Press time icon, plus icon to increase, minus icon to decrease. Press start when ready. In this way, the timer will start the countdown once the set temperature is reached. To disable wait temp, long press temperature icon when the machine is not running.